These are the elevators at the Westin Hotel Reunion Center in Wesleyland. These are Kone elevators. Right behind me are the elevators for the Reunion Center, but those are completely locked out. This is level 1. It's nothing but a transfer point between all these elevators and the elevator that goes up to the street and the Reunion Tower lobby. The actual hotel lobby is on level 18. It's a sky lobby. 23. Here we are in the express zone. We have innovation bruiser fixtures as well as bar fixtures in these elevators. The Reunion Tower elevators, or Union Center elevators in this case, do not have bar buttons. Almost at 18. Here you're on 23. 1. The bar buttons even display their room numbers too, which is really cool. Didn't beep for 22. That was weird. Indicator glitch, I guess. And that's it.